Hi, this is Tracy at the Barbecue Depot, and we're going to be going over the features of the Lynx Professional L42TR. This grill will have 2 blue flame burners and 1 Pro Sear burner. Other sizes include 30, 36, and 54. There are 4 knobs, your rotisseries to the left, and then your 3 main burners go across. And what we have on this grill is one of their colors in their color collection. It is called Desert Sage. It's a beautiful light green color. These grills have really nice black hood thermometers. And when you open the hood, you have the Lynx spring assisted system, which makes opening and closing the grill really easy. You have blue LED lights that go across the knobs, as well as 2 interior halogen lights. You have a 2-position warming rack, a rotisserie back burner, a rotisserie motor that mounts to the left side of the grill, and it just turns on and off. There are 3 burners in this grill. There's 2 blue flame. They use their briquette system. The cooking grids are the round rod grids, and these grids are the same on all 3 of their burners. A lot of times you will find that some manufacturers use a special searing grate for their infrared burner. Lynx does not do that on their Pro Sear. You have a hot surface electric driven ignition system. So to light the grill, you push the knob in, and then you can see that the ignition electrode will glow an orange color. Slowly turn the knob and you got your burner lit. The blue flame burners are 25,000 BTUs, where your Pro Sear burner, which is shaped like a trident, that one has 23,000 BTUs. And the same, you will push in, make sure that your electrode is glowing, and then your burner will light up. There you go. You have a nice hot Pro Sear burner there. You will always find underneath your grease tray will be your information sticker. This will have your model and serial number, which is really important for parts ordering. Full size drip tray, and then it comes with a long wire and a clip for a match if you ever need to manually light the grill. These grills have lifetime warranty on the cooking grids and the burners. Also about their colors, they offer an array of different colors, which is really nice. If you are looking to add a pop of color in your backyard, you can choose those. If you have any questions on the Lynx grill, or if you need any parts, contact us at thebarbecuedepot.com.